Hello everybody, welcome to Black Lotus Oracle. How are you doing? I'm doing well. As a matter of fact, I'm doing awesome, especially because I'm in nature, enjoying the birds. Oh my god, it's a blue jay. Oh, it's pretty and it's looking right at me. Okay. I'm having a moment. Moonlight. Ignore the number I wrote there. Moonlight. I like that. What else? Marvel. Oh my gosh. What else? I don't know why I was thinking of a streetcar named Desire. Something about the South, maybe, is relevant. Blanche. Is it Blanche who's the main character? Does this have something to do, was she an escort or? Hello, Toni Morrison. Okay, we're gonna put you away. Thank you for showing up. You know I love you. She is like, hi, don't forget about me, get out. I'm gonna keep that there as like a subliminal message because someone might need to get out. I hope you're not being sex trafficked or anything like that. Jesus Christ. Excuse me. The number 24, 23, 42 might be relevant. Is someone's name Pearl, or do you have a elder whose name is Pearl? Let's keep going. One more card for this reading. Excuse me. It's getting windy. Give me 1 second. Whew. It's getting windy. This Hillary Clinton, she's my Queen of Swords. I don't know. Aquarius. Are you an Aquarius? Are you dealing with an Aquarius? One more card for this reading. Bluejays. What are their significance? You know, the other day I was walking and I saw a dead blue jay. And today I'm seeing a live one. I forgot what they're meaning. I was looking it up because like there's been so many blue jays around. Let's keep going. Here comes another one. Alfa Romero. Something about Italians might be significant. Midsummer Night's Dream. We're gonna take that, but I feel like there's something else that wants to come out. excuse the loud sounds. To Kill a Mockingbird. This is funny because the street right behind me where I'm at is Mockingbird Street. Oh my shittery. Toni Morrison. I was hoping, hi Birdie. It's a blue jay walking up to me. I was hoping to have like a really nice, positive, lighthearted read today because of my mood. Like I'm in a really nice mood, and I feel like these readings are not going to be nice because I'm picking up on other people's energy. I feel like I'm picking up on other people's energy. This is not my energy. But let's get into it, right? Toni, we're dealing with an Aquarius. Toni Morrison and Beloved came up. Toni was like, girl, you better say what you need to say. All right. Is someone associated with a biker gang? Something about bikes is really... Something about bikes is significant. And mockingbirds. Bikes and mockingbirds could be relevant. To Kill a Mockingbird, I feel like we're talking about the South and the justice system. So this is some serious shit. Moonlight and Midsummer Night's Dream is something that's more on the light-hearted spectrum. What we're going to do is we're going to discuss this To Kill a Mockingbird and Get Out first. Let's go with the nitty-gritty, and then we'll discuss hopefully the more light-hearted stuff. Shit, my last reading was already like giving me I don't want to do it because I don't want to get sued type of vibes. Fucking fuck. Did I say something about the streetcar named Desire? Okay, so Lord Jesus. Is someone a sex worker? Oh my gosh, 3 of Swords. I may or might not post this. I'm gonna say a quick disclosure. Everything that I, Black Lotus Oracle, representing this channel, discuss on my platform, it has nothing to do with any particular individual. Disclaimer, this is only for entertainment purposes. None of the opinions, the views, the statements that I'm making in any of my videos apply to any particular person that I know on a face-to-face basis or on a word-of-mouth basis. Black Lotus Oracle is an entertainment platform which I use to discuss mediumship through art history. So I'm just interpreting these various works of art as a form of mediumship, and I get messages from spirit. But at the end of the day, this is not, it has nothing to do with, this is the general population, no one in particular, okay? So please do not get offended. Please do not take my my readings as a personal jab. I'm just reading the energy. Literally, Toni Morrison comes out every single one of my readings. Every time. Every single time. So am I taking a jab at Toni Morrison? Is Toni Morrison... It's not like her family or her relatives are going to sue me because I said Toni Morrison, right? Okay, great. Now that I've said these disclosures, let's proceed with To Kill a Mockingbird. Okay, so someone's mask is coming off. We have the Three of Swords. Someone could be dealing with addiction or perhaps mental illness. But something is moving forward, or someone is having the strength or the courage to move forward with the Chariot card. Perhaps moving away from a particular lifestyle or a particular group of influential, negatively influential 1111 influences. That's what I'm getting. The Moon card, this could be a Pisces. Yeah, someone was really unhappy. Ten of Cups in the reverse. That's why there's a Tower coming. Yeah, they were dissatisfied. Four of Cups. I think they were dissatisfied with this lifestyle that they were living. And this is giving me a lot of sex. And a lot of substance abuse. A lot of depression. Feeling unaccomplished, feeling unachieved. This is a lot of water sign that I'm getting. Scorpio, Pisces. Four of Cups, depression, regret, missing out on an opportunity. Alright, let's see what else. But hopefully there will be some positive redirection with the Chariot card. I'm glad that whoever is experiencing this is realizing that perhaps they need to make a change to their lifestyle. Okay, so that could be a good thing, you know? The Tower comes in our life to dismantle, hi squirrel, dismantle whatever was created on a faulty foundation, you know. So someone is getting out, and whoever this is, I'm proud of you. All right, I'm proud of you. I might not be in your life anymore. But know that my higher self is glad that you're making a decision to take responsibility for your life, for your actions, for your body, for your lifestyle. Because your actions and your inactions don't just affect you. You create towers in other people's lives, and the addiction blinds you from realizing that you are not just being self-destructive. You're destructing everything that's around you. And it's not comical. It's not funny. It's actually it's a serious problem that needs to be faced, and I feel like you are currently. Let's get some cards for Midsummer Night's Dream. I I want to say that I am proud of anyone who is actively battling addiction, substance abuse. It's not easy getting out. But any stride is better than no strides at all. Someone might be dealing with the police. Someone might be getting arrested because the cops with the blue lights just pulled up over here. You might be getting pulled over at a stoplight or something. You could have an aunt named Pearl, maybe. Or an older lady figure named Pearl. Alright, let's get some cards. Midsummer Night's Dream. King of Swords. This could be a lawyer. This could be a... Yeah, they're getting pulled over. Are they? Yeah. Let's get some cards for Midsummer Night's Dream. I'm so thirsty. I just feel like drinking a big slushy or something. The moon. This is definitely Pisces energy. Six of Swords. Three of Pentacles. I was hoping to get some readings for me today. Sorry for being selfish. But I'm not being selfish because this is for someone who needs to hear it. King of Pentacles in the reverse. Seven of Swords. Knight of Pentacles in the reverse. Yeah. So the Midsummer Night's Dream is giving me like someone was caught up in a... They established this false reality for themselves. And when I think of the Midsummer Night's Dream, I always think of the nymphs. And literally the nymph, if you look up the word nymph, it's like nymphomaniac, like someone who has a sexual addiction. Someone... I don't know if I'm going to be posting none of this. At some point, maybe I will. Someone might need to see a doctor. I feel like this reading, Moonlight, the moon card. I'm gonna leave it there because I'm reiterating what I just said in my last reading, and like I say, I don't repeat readings. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna try this one last time, and if the same thing comes out for my next reading, I'm gonna let it go.